guys, welcome back to another day in the life with Yeada. Yeada here for those of you that are new. If you are new on this channel, I do lifestyle, home decor, DIY, and hair videos. So if that's content that you love to watch, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and join the Glamour Squad. Today, y'all, on the agenda, we gotta run to Best Buy so I can get a new memory card because this one is about to run out any second now. We also gonna go to the mall. I want to run to Express to get a few items from out of there. And then later on tonight, we do have reservations downtown Chicago. My Sons is in town, and they want to celebrate my birthday since they didn't get to come to Miami. So we're going to Chicago tonight. So after the mall, I'm gonna come back here and possibly pack a bag. I don't know if I'm gonna stay the night or not, but just in case, we're gonna have a bag packed. So I'm about to run upstairs, put some clothes on. It is nice outside today, so I'm taking you guys along for the ride. And yeah, so I'm about to go get dressed and we're gonna head out. So let's go. Y'all, look at this vlogging camera. This is what I need with the microphone. This is great. Look at the price. With the vlogging kit, this is what I need. Alright, y'all, so I just pulled up at the mall. I just left Best Buy. And y'all, I really feel like I want a new camera, which I do want a camera. Like that particular camera that I just saw, I have a Sony, so I know how Sony cameras are, which they're really good cameras, but the one I have, I just feel like the quality could be a little better. And I don't like how with mine you can't put a microphone on the top, like how the one that I just showed y'all, how that one is. You can't do that with my camera. The only difference between the cameras too is that, so like mine, the camera, the screen on the back flips up, and that one, the screen flips to the side. So I feel like I'll be looking at myself versus looking at y'all. It's gonna be weird if I get that camera, but I need a new camera. So anyways, I just pulled up at the mall, so I'm finna go in here and go to Express real quick and then head back home. So I'll see y'all in a second. So this is the collection that I was talking about. This is their body contour collection. And so I just grabbed the brown and the strapless long sleeve and a beige long sleeve. So cute. And they 40% off today. Y'all, so we is back at home. We back in action. I got a memory card for the camera, so we good. Okay, let me tell y'all about Express. I don't know what just happened, but y'all, I went up in there to get some bodysuits from their body contour collection. Like, this is the bodysuits. I got two brown ones, and then I got a long sleeve cream one. Like, I already have two, so I wanted some long sleeve ones because I really like this material, whatever. These was on sale. They was 40% off. They regular price $48 and $34. So they was 40% off, which put them down to like $28. And this one, where's my receipt? So the long sleeve ones was $28, and then the sleeveless one was $20. Okay, y'all do the math. I paid $48.58. I wish y'all can see this. It's not even gonna focus. Come on, focus. It's not even gonna focus. Anyways, I had two coupons that I used. So I had a $15 off of 30. And then I had an additional like 10% off or something like that. I don't know what the man did, but it got a negative 15 on here, a negative 5, and a negative 12.60. I don't know what he did. I ain't asked no questions. I just got my bag and got up out of there. Like, I literally only spent $48 when I was supposed to spend more, but ooh, I'm like, gotta go. And he gave me the coupons back, y'all, so now I can go back and get some more. But anyways, y'all, so I'm finna pack a quick bag. It is already 3:20, so I'm about to pack a quick bag. This is what I'm wearing tonight. So I got these brown leather pants, and then I'm gonna do the brown. I'm gonna take the long sleeve too, just in case if it get cooler tonight, but I plan to wear the sleeveless bodysuit with that, and then just some heels. And I'm probably gonna carry, let's see, excuse my closet, y'all. I'm probably gonna carry this Louis bag. Yeah, we're gonna do an all brown on brown look today. All right, y'all, so the bag is packed. I'm just grabbing a perfume, and we are good to go. And by the way, this little weekender bag, Wally World, so cute. So I have made it to Chicago. About to go to my Sam's house, get changed, and then head to a dinner. I'll show y'all my outfit, how it looks once I get everything on and stuff. So it's real cute. Oh, look who's here, y'all. We got India and Addie. Y'all, we headed to, come on, let's walk. We got 5 seconds. We are headed to the restaurant. One more across. Y'all, so it is the next day and I have made it back home, as you guys can see, and I enjoyed my time with my Sands in Chicago, so I tried to vlog as much as possible, but I am back home and I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. If so, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, join the Glamour Squad, follow me on Instagram at glamour_chick and TikTok at Yeada_B. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.